Hi guys, today I'm going to unbox this because it's my birthday. Ready? Oh my god, I got a compass box. OMG. This is special chocolate. Oh my god. And now this. Oh my god, look, even a scissor. Wait. Does the pencil sharpener get removed? I'm trying. No. Okay. My little brother has come. Okay, let's eraser. We have to keep it. And this is the counter. Counter, not counter. It's not a counter. It's a calculator. It's just a calculator, not a counter. Okay, so let's see what's inside this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey, guys. Which language is this? Alright, now let's see the back side. Oh, it was upside down. Everything done? Oh, look at that. That's so good. Look at that. I'm going to open it right now. By the way, guys, I just realized that this is crummy. Oh, sorry. I'm going to open it. Oh my god. Wow. Look at this. And these are good colors. I'm going to color it tomorrow because tomorrow is my birthday. Not today. I'm just going to remove it. So the set came like this. Let me join it. That's upside down. No, it's not. It's the face. That's the head. Let's join these together. I'm going to color it tomorrow. Bye. But wait. I want to show you something. Ready? These are colors. So many.